What's your name?
My name is Emma.
Where are you from?
I'm from India.
Where do you live?
I live in London.
How old are you?
I'm 19 years old.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother and one sister.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
What's your phone number?
It's 123-456-7890.
How long have you been learning English?
I've been learning for 2 years.
Are you fluent in English?
No, I can write, but I can't speak well.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
When do you usually have breakfast?
I have breakfast at 7:30 a.m.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat toast and eggs.
Do you drink coffee in the morning?
Yes, I drink coffee every day.
How do you go to school?
I take the bus.
What time does your school start?
It starts at 9 a.m.
Do you have a lunch break?
Yes, I have a break at 12 p.m.
What do you do after school?
I go to the gym in the evening.
Do you have any free time?
Yes, I usually watch YouTube videos or read books.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 9 p.m.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 times a week.
Do you like to walk or run?
I prefer walking because it's relaxing.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, I cook dinner every night.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I love cooking. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to read books and listen to music.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play basketball.
What's your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is soccer.
Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I love watching movies, especially comedies.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like action movies.
Do you like going to the beach?
Yes, I love the beach, especially in summer.
Do you like to read?
Yes, I read a lot, mostly fiction.
Do you play video games?
Yes, I enjoy playing video games on the weekend.
What music do you listen to?
I listen to pop music most of the time.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love to travel and visit new places.
What's your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is painting. What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I like spicy food a lot.
Do you prefer coffee or tea?
I prefer coffee.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
I usually eat rice, beans, and chicken.
Do you like desserts?
Yes, I love desserts, especially chocolate cake.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can cook simple meals.
What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is orange juice.
Do you drink water every day?
Yes, I drink a lot of water every day.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I never skip breakfast.
Do you like fast food?
Yes, but I try not to eat it too often.
What day is it today?
It's Monday.
What's the date today?
It's March 17th.
When is your birthday?
It's on June 5th.
What day was yesterday?
Yesterday was Sunday.
What day is tomorrow?
Tomorrow is Tuesday.
What's the first day of the week?
Sunday in some countries or Monday in others.
Which month comes after March?
It is April.
What year is it?
It's 2025.
How many days are in a week?
There are 7 days.
How many days are in February?
There are 28 or 29 days in a leap year. Do you have a big family?
No, I have a small family.
How many people are in your family?
There are 4 people in my family.
Do you have any children?
No, I don't have children yet.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a rabbit named Milo.
What does your pet look like?
He's small and has white fur.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, I live with my parents.
Do you like spending time with your family?
Yes, I love spending time with my family.
Do you have many friends?
Yes, I have a lot of friends.
What do you usually do with your friends?
We go to the movies or hang out at a cafe. What do you do for work?
I work as a teacher.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I love teaching.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 9 a.m.
Do you work on weekends?
No, I don't work on weekends.
Are you a student?
Yes, I'm a student.
What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
How do you study?
I study by reading books and practicing with friends.
How do you go to school?
I take the bus to school.
How long does it take you to get to school?
It takes me about 30 minutes.
Do you like working from home?
Yes, it's more comfortable.
How's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm.
Do you like cold weather?
No, I prefer warm weather.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer.
Do you like snow?
Yes, I love snow. It's beautiful.
What do you wear in winter?
I wear a jacket, gloves, and a scarf.
Is it rainy today?
No, it's a clear day.
What do you do when it rains?
I stay inside and watch movies.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love visiting new places.
What countries have you visited?
I've visited France and Italy.
Where would you like to go next?
I'd like to visit Japan.
How do you usually travel?
I usually travel by plane.
Do you prefer traveling by train or plane?
I prefer traveling by plane.
Where did you go on your last vacation?
I went to Paris.
How long did you stay there?
I stayed for a week.
What did you do there?
I visited the Eiffel Tower.
Why don't you travel more often?
I don't have enough time.
How many countries have you visited?
I've visited 5 countries.
What's your dream destination?
My dream destination is Japan.
Who do you usually travel with?
I travel with my family. Do you like watching TV?
Yes, I watch TV shows in the evening.
What's your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is Stranger Things.
Do you watch movies often?
Yes, I watch movies every weekend.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is The Avengers.
Do you like listening to podcasts?
Yes, I listen to podcasts while I work.
What kind of books do you like?
I like mystery novels and thrillers.
Do you prefer ebooks or paper books?
I prefer paper books because they're easier to read.
Do you like playing board games?
Yes, I love playing board games with my family.
Do you have a favorite YouTuber?
Yes, I like watching videos from Easy English by Sully Jr.
Do you watch sports on TV?
Yes, I love watching soccer matches. Do you like coffee or tea more?
I like coffee more, especially in the morning.
Do you like hot weather or cold weather?
I prefer hot weather because I love the sun.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring because it's not too hot or cold.
Do you prefer watching movies at home or in the cinema?
I prefer watching movies at home because it's more comfortable.
Do you like shopping for clothes?
Yes, I love buying new clothes, especially during sales.
Do you prefer cats or dogs?
I prefer dogs because they are very friendly.
Do you like living in a big city?
Yes, I like the excitement and variety of a big city.
What kind of music do you enjoy?
I enjoy pop and rock music the most.
Do you like reading the news?
Yes, I like staying informed about world events.
Do you like to go out or stay at home?
I prefer staying at home and relaxing.
Are you married?
No, I'm not married yet.
Do you have a best friend?
Yes, I have a best friend named Sarah.
How often do you see your friends?
I see my friends once a week.
What do you do with your friends?
We usually go out to eat or watch a movie.
Do you like meeting new people?
Yes, I enjoy meeting new people and making new friends.
Do you have a boyfriend?
Yes, I have a boyfriend.
How long have you been together?
We've been together for 2 years.
Do you spend a lot of time with your family?
Yes, I spend time with my family on weekends.
Do you have any close relatives?
Yes, I'm very close to my grandmother.
Do you like talking to strangers?
Not really. I prefer talking to people I know.
What was the best vacation you've ever had?
The best vacation was when I went to Paris.
Have you ever been to another country?
Yes, I've been to Italy and Spain.
What's your favorite childhood memory?
My favorite memory is playing with my cousins during summer holidays.
Have you ever tried a new activity?
Yes, I tried rock climbing last summer.
What's the most exciting thing you've ever done?
The most exciting thing was skydiving.
Have you ever gotten lost?
Yes, I got lost once while traveling in a foreign city.
What's the best gift you've ever received?
The best gift was a trip to New York from my parents.
What's the most challenging thing you've done?
The most challenging thing was finishing my university degree.
Have you ever won a prize?
Yes, I won a photography competition last year. Do you have any advice for learning English?
Yes, practice every day and speak as much as possible.
What's the best way to improve your speaking skills?
The best way is to talk to native speakers and listen to podcasts.
How do you feel about learning English?
I feel excited and proud when I learn new things.
What's the most important thing to remember when learning a language?
Don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Do you think you will continue learning English?
Yes, I want to keep learning and improve my skills.